The true reason behind Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's decision to reimburse taxpayers for the £2.4 million Frogmore Cottage renovation has been shrouded in mystery, until now. Discover why the Duke and Duchess of Sussex felt compelled to settle this debt, and uncover the latest revelations about the historic property's status more than a year after their departure. Frogmore Cottage, nestled on the Windsor estate, underwent a significant renovation when the late Queen granted it to Prince Harry and Meghan Markle in 2018. The initial £2.4 million refurbishment was covered by the sovereign grant, sparking public outrage over the use of taxpayer money. In response to this backlash, Harry and Meghan decided to repay the full amount themselves. Historian Robert Lacey, in his book Battle of the Brothers, provides insight into why refunding the public money was crucial for the couple. He explains that it was essential for Harry and Meghan to be seen as financially independent, which was further emphasized on their SussexRoyal.com website during their sabbatical in Vancouver. By coming off the sovereign grant, they aimed to remove the tabloid's justification for intrusive coverage of their lives. Interestingly, Charles, then the Prince of Wales, had shown sympathy and offered to help with the renovation costs. However, Lacey points out the irony in this offer, considering Harry and Meghan's substantial net worth, estimated between £30 million and £40 million. Despite the extensive renovation, Harry and Meghan spent only 6 months at Frogmore Cottage before relocating to North America in 2020. They initially maintained it as their UK base, even paying future rental costs. However, following the publication of Harry's memoir Spare and their Netflix series, they were asked to vacate the property entirely. Last month, it was confirmed by a Buckingham Palace spokesman that Frogmore Cottage remains empty, as detailed in the annual Sovereign Grant Report. Speculation about its future occupants continues, with Prince Andrew reportedly offered the option to move in, which he refused. The saga of Frogmore Cottage is a testament to the complexities of royal life and public perception. Harry and Meghan's decision to repay the £2.4 million renovation costs was a strategic move to assert their independence and address public criticism. Yet, as the historic home remains unoccupied, questions linger about its future role within the royal estate. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex's journey from Windsor to California marks a pivotal chapter in their quest for autonomy and privacy, leaving Frogmore Cottage as a symbol of both their legacy and the ongoing evolution of the British monarchy.